So this video show how to connect these three wire. First of all, the red, black. So just connect from right here. Red with red, black with black. Tighten, deep tighten. Secondly, remove this cover so you will see here more clear this trigger, this one trigger, carburetor trigger. So remove this screw, not remove, turn this screw down like this position, then throw this screw in, then turn this screw, tighten this screw, here we go. And right now is turn this carburetor, the trigger, and turn a little bit this screw, this screw. Wait a second, turn this. Let this screw with this line, the same position, the same line, and a big hole. Here have big hole and a small hole, big hole up. Then push this wire into this connect screw. Okay, here we go. Then rest this trigger, and then turn this screw a little back until this wire. Oh, I'm sorry. Until this wire go inside totally. Oh, sorry. It's a little hot, but since yes, right here, you see that? So now the wire is going inside the screw. Then turn a little bit the screw back until this one, just a little move. Okay, then tighten this screw, and right now you will get this. When you turn this one will move. Okay, then back to the cover. Okay, thank you.